Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Infiniti QX80 cabin air filter. This is a simple maintenance task you can do yourself, saving time and money. First, gather your new cabin air filter and any basic tools you might need, like a small screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely. We'll begin by accessing the glove compartment on the passenger side. Now let's get to the filter. Start by completely emptying your glove compartment. Next, you'll need to detach the small dampener arm, usually located on the right side of the glove box, by gently prying it off. Then, carefully press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the stops, allowing it to swing down further or be removed entirely. This reveals the filter housing. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY tips. Quick recommendation: just like keeping your car's air clean, keeping your meals fresh is important. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for organizing your food, just like we're organizing our car's air quality. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the housing exposed, unclip or unlatch the cover. You'll see the old filter inside. Before pulling it out, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for proper installation of the new one. Carefully slide out the old filter, then insert your new filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.